welcome to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing my brown sugar box. This is by Izzy and Liv. This is a monthly subscription box for women of color, and it's like a lifestyle box, and it has various products inside. The box is $39.95 plus shipping and handling, and you can get this box every month if you choose to, or if you choose to skip months or put a pause on it. The subscription lets you do that all at your fingertips when you go into your account, which is the best part of this box for me, that I can stop it, pause it, restart it whenever I feel like it, and it fits to my lifestyle, not where I'm just getting so many things I'm overwhelmed. I can just take a break. So if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I do different subscription unboxings and hauls. Please feel free to peruse some of my other videos once this one's done. But for now, let's get into our box here. This is one of my favorite boxes of the month. So guys, when you get this box does come with a little magazine in here. When you first open up the magazine, you will receive information about what products are inside, what options you have for different products, what other options you could have received. So, and it gives you like a value of the products as well. And then there's also great little tidbit stuff in here, like there's playlists, and all kind of things, different little articles, sometimes recipes, and their beauties of the month. Whoever sent in or submitted pictures, they post you guys in here, so that's awesome. So the theme for this month is supposed to be glitz and glam, so give them glitz and glam is the theme. So let's get into what's in this box. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out looks like some sort of jewelry here. So let's see what this is. And we have, what is this? Ah, it's a bracelet. So it says real gold plated, and it has charms on it. I'm trying to stretch them out a bit so I can show you guys. You see the charms here, and one is the shape of Africa, and there's another one that has royalty on the charm. I think that's really cute. And it's made for people with little skinny wrists like me, which is awesome. You know, I got like the little kid wrist. So let's see, I don't even have to adjust anything. I just slide my little baby wrist through, and that's what it looks like on me. I think this is really cute, very cute. I like it. I like stuff like this, so this is cute. And the charms have on here like Izzy and Liv little symbol here, culture. This is neat. This is really cute. This would be a great gift if you were looking to give a gift to someone as well. So I really like that. That's very cute. So let's go on to where our next product is. And let's see, what did the value of that one? So guys, the charm bracelet, it was one of two that you could have received, and the value is listed right here in our little magazine. And this has a $24 value. So that's cool. And our next product, what is this? Is this like a purse? Isn't this cute? Oh, it has like the packaging on it. Okay, let's take some of that off so you guys can get a real clear view. This is neat. I've never seen nothing like this before. This is great for like if you're going out for New Year's Eve, definitely. It looks like a little purse. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And you open it up, and you have the little wallet inside, and it says peace, love, and melanin. And there is a chain in here, so you can make this into a very long purse or carry it as a clutch. And it has the gold hardware. Here, this is really cute. I like this. This is really cute for going out. So if you're going out to the club, I don't know about the club, but if you're going out to the bar or something for the holidays to celebrate with your friends, this would be fun to take with you. This is really cute. This, there were, let's see, 4 choices for this bag here. This is the classic acrylic clutch. and with the pouch insert, and you could have got 1 or 4, and it has a $35 value. Very neat. I really like this. This was good. I like that. That was really nice. Not expecting that at all. And now I have this product here. I don't know what this is. It's not in the magazine. I have no idea what this one is. We'll find out then. I don't know what it is. It's not listed as one of the things for the box, so I don't know what this is, guys. So this is taking out the plastic. I don't know if is this one of those bags, maybe? I don't know. It's like something folded up that you maybe. Is it? Like, what is this? Oh, here we go. Why don't we try it from this way, maybe? Oh, is it a bag? It is a bag. It is a bag, like one of those bags you can fold up and take when you go in a grocery store. This would be great to keep in my pocketbook, but it's not on here. There's no price. It's not in here listed at all. So, I don't know, a freebie? But this is great. Delaware has a no plastic bag law. So, this will come in handy as something to keep in your purse when you go out to the store. So, that's awesome. Works for me. And we also got our calendar, which is why I always order the December one, because I love the calendars that Izzy and Liv normally gives out. So our calendar here is the 22 calendar, and this is $12 value, and it says 2022 Black Girl Magic Wall Calendar. And I'm going to just flip through some of the things so you can see some of the art that's in here. I really like this one. This is like a step up from the one they had last year. This is really nice. Love the artwork. Very pretty. Love it, love it, love it. So I always love getting their calendars. I do still use a real calendar. It's great for when I'm working. So perfect. The next thing I have, these are pajamas. Pajamas. It's a set. A satin cami 2-piece set here. Oh, let's take it out and take a look. Ooh, this is cute. I like this. And guys, when you sign up for this box, they do ask you your shirt size. So generally, you get a shirt with every box. So the pajamas are probably based on whatever size you selected for your shirt size, just to give you a FYI if you're wondering how they know what size you're going to be. And these are in the size, I believe I seen large. Yes, it's a large. So that's what my shirt size generally is. And these are the shorts. These are great. I like pajamas like these to sleep in. This is what I consider to be comfortable. Or just even lounging around in the house. These are cute. I like that. So these have a $40 value. And you could have received, they had a few different versions. One of 6. So there's 6 different ones you could have been given. And the last thing in our box, guys, is our shirt, which is my favorite part. So, this is what I'm seeing initially. So, let's pull it out the bag. And I love their shirts. I'll be wearing their shirts everywhere. You might see it on my next video, so don't be surprised. This is cute. I like it. I like this, and I like the pink. It's like that Barbie pink. Oh, I like this. This is really cute. So guys, the shirt has a value of $28, and they call this a touch of elegance tee. So I really like it. This is a nice shirt. So yeah, you can like wear off the shoulders the way that it's cut at the top, or you could wear one shoulder down and have one shoulder covered, because I love the way that the finish is at the top. It gives you a lot more options. So guys, in review, I think this was an awesome box. The theme of the box was glitz and glam. I feel like we got a little bit of each part of that. Not so much the whole box is glam, but there's glam aspects. We have the beautiful purse, the clutch. We have the bracelet for that glam part of the bag. And I mean, I guess that was the glitz part of the bag. Yeah, the glitz part of the bag would be the bracelet and the clutch purse. And then our tea, pajamas, and our calendar could be our glam. But I did, overall, I like all the products that came in my box. So I'm very pleased with the products that I received. Let me know what you guys got in your box, if you're following this box and if you're receiving it. Like, did you like everything that you got? I love my shirts always, like, so you might see it next video, so I'm just telling you in advance that I always love my shirts. But I really enjoyed the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what you thought about this unboxing. But guys, until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and enjoy the holidays with your family and friends, because that's what it's all about in the end. So I'll see you guys next time, and hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way, so you can stay up to date with all of my latest unboxings. I'll see you guys next week.